When world leaders convene in Washington, they will focus on a slowdown that has affected virtually every country. In just months, $25 trillion have been erased from global stock markets. Millions of jobs have been lost, and consumers are holding on to whatever cash they have, sparking further declines. Former U.S. Treasury official Ted Truman helped plan financial meetings of industrial countries. He believes this broader gathering, not of 7 but of 20, is significant.
I hope it will focus on the big problem that we're now facing, a global recession.
To maintain consumer purchasing power and avoid calamity, leaders must commit to coordinated measures, says Wing Tai Wu of Washington's Brookings Institution.
Boosting government expenditure, lowering interest rates, and that the countries should not engage in export promotion policies at this point.
Some countries, especially China, have already announced emergency spending programs. Experts say that China is signaling a desire to play a bigger role in the global economy.
They are now important players and will become even more important in the future. So we need the Chinese to continue growing fast.
The need for better regulation of financial markets will also be discussed, as will the need for developing countries like China and India to have a bigger say in the International Monetary Fund. Ted Truman says the financial summit could also mark the beginning of regular consultations between developed and developing countries.
And I think actually the most significant thing about this meeting will be that it probably marks the beginning of the end of the G7 as a summit organization.
Annual summits of the United States, Canada, Japan, and Western European countries have taken place for over 30 years. The broader group accounts for 75% of global output. Barry Wood, VOA News, Washington.